Hi guys, today I want to touch bases on how to share a Business Center file. So I have opened one of the designs. So I have some surface there, a whole bunch of lines. Important thing is that I wanted to make sure that I have like some XMLs imported, some DXFs and PDF. So all these files are stored in your Trimble Business Center under the folder. So if you were to send just the VCE file and I would open it on the other side, none of these supporting files would show because they are right here. The best way to send the files I found is obviously to zip them. But how? Right? How do you know which ones and all that stuff? Luckily we have a tool for that in Business Center. So if you close it, you close your active project. Sure, I'm just gonna save it up, and then you go back to File and Archive Project. Once you go to Archive Project, find where your project is located. I believe it's this one. Click on the VCE file and hit Save. See, Trimble Business Center will create the archive zip file for you. Now if I were to open it, it will include all the necessary supporting files. So if you're sending somebody something with the background maps and everything, all that's going to be included. If you just send the VCF file, it would show that there are some underlying background images, but it would not show the image itself because it would miss all the actual file itself. Hope you like that. Hit subscribe, bell, so you are notified of our next videos. Comment, and we'll see you next time.